When money is no object, the world's billionaires can afford to buy just about any property that appeals to them, whether it's a huge mansion or an entire tropical island. Yet, some have very simple tastes. Despite the fact that rising interest rates may cause home prices to fall later this year, the luxury housing market remains hot for the time being. Design features like walk-in bathrooms that are open to the outdoors, or rear kitchens or butler's pantries that hide in the trash are becoming increasingly widespread in the luxury market as residential real estate prices continue to rise. For today's video, we'll take a look at the incredible homes of the richest billionaires in the world. What does it look like? How much does it cost? And much more exciting information about their residences. But before that, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel to show some support. Please also hit the notification bell to be updated for more videos like this one. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. First off, we have Larry Ellison. Oracle co-founder Larry Ellison, dubbed as the nation's most enthusiastic trophy home buyer by the Wall Street Journal, is no stranger to the real estate market. According to Forbes, Ellison is the 10th richest person on the planet with a net worth of more than $60 billion. In 2012, when asked why he would acquire more houses than he could reasonably live in, Ellison cited his passion for art. According to the Wall Street Journal, tech tycoon Larry Ellison paid $80 million for a 15,000 square foot beachfront property in Palm Beach, Florida. Furthermore, Ellison's new Palm Beach property is the third largest coastal plot of land in Palm Beach County at 7.35 acres. The home is located in Seminole Landing, a gated neighborhood with manned security gate and a 24-hour security. The land is also secured by a fence. Well, this mansion really needs very strict security. What is more interesting is that the Palm Beach house is known to be just a handful of residences in Florida where someone could land and take off in a helicopter from the estate. Next on the list is Mark Zuckerberg. According to the Wall Street Journal, the 37-year-old Facebook creator expects to work remotely for up to half of 2022, and his $320 million real estate portfolio is more than capable of supporting his work-from-home lifestyle. In Palo Alto, San Francisco, Lake Tahoe, and Hawaii, the millionaire owns around 1,400 acres and 10 mansions. From construction noise complaints in San Francisco to a petition against colonization due to his burgeoning Hawaii real estate portfolio, he has a history of not getting along with his neighbors. During a public board meeting 5 years ago, his architect Kathy Walker of Walker Warner Architects disputed that he had plans to build a luxury property only for his family. He spent $50.8 million for the spacious front yards with redwood, magnolia, and ginkgo trees. According to property records, the homes total about 20,000 square feet, with 15 bedrooms and more than 16 bathrooms. Moreover, according to Architectural Digest, he purchased a 5,617 square foot, 5-bedroom, and a 5-bathroom wood-floored mansion on 0.41 acres for $7 million in 2011, a year before he married Chan. What a dream home for the family! Moving forward, we have Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani's home is named Antilia. It is as well known as he is. It was named after the phantom island Antilia, which was said to exist in the Atlantic Ocean. It is the world's second most costly residence. Mukesh Ambani, who appears on Bloomberg Billionaires Index on a regular basis, is also the richest man in Asia and the world's 12th richest man. He is the CEO of Reliance Industries, India's largest private sector corporation. The Antilia is a 27-story structure that employs 600 people. The entire structure is designed with the sun and the lotus in mind. Only these designs are repeated throughout the structure. The building's interior is built of crystals and marbles. Furthermore, there are no rooms or spaces in the entire building that are similar to each other. The ceilings are so high that the 27-story Antilia is as tall as 60 stories. Antilia has 3 rooftop helipads among its opulent features. It has a 6-story car park that can hold 168 cars at once, a 50-seat movie theater, 3 floors of Babylon-inspired hanging gardens, a yoga studio, a fitness center, a ballroom, 9 elevators, a swimming pool, a spa, a health center, a temple, a snow room, and housing for 600 maintenance workers who live on the property. Antillia is built to withstand an earthquake with a magnitude of 8 on the Richter scale. The puja room rivals any temple in Antillia. It is made of high-quality stones and accommodate 50 people. Mukesh Ambani's parking garage has 6 levels. Oh, before I forget, Antillia has a snow room. Therefore, Mukesh and his family have a way of beating the heat. Well, all these features cost a whopping $2 billion. Let's leave Antillia behind and go right next to the mansion of Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple, was known for his fiery temper, but it appears that the media magnate's enthusiasm stretched beyond his profession. While he formerly lived in this ancient mansion, the entrepreneur despised it so intensely that he spent years trying to have it demolished. According to property records, Jobs paid $3.5 million for jacking the house in the town of Woodside in San Mateo County, California in 1984. The home was created in 1925 by renowned architect George Washington Smith, a forerunner of Spanish colonial revival architecture in the United States in the early 20th century. The house had a formal living room, a spacious kitchen, several bedrooms, and a games room with a pool table. Many of the rooms were decorated with unique pieces to reflect Jacqueline's own tastes and unlimited money. The property was obviously suitable for a billionaire, with silver-plated chandeliers and scarlet and gold wallpapers. However, despite these notable features, some are saying that this abandoned residence is like a haunted house. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Additionally, people who have been inside say the residence is slightly yet elegantly decorated. According to Businessweek, Jobs obsessed over the furniture, recalls a neighbor. Jobs spent tens of thousands of dollars on chairs and custom-made dining table, which he returned because of the angle of one of the legs was off by a few degrees. Next up, we have Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos has access to a plethora of opulent residences. Following his high-profile divorce in 2019, the Amazon founder and recent space tourist have been busy buying up extravagant properties, adding to an already swelling real estate portfolio, which includes a vast compound in Medina, Washington, and an imposing mansion in America's capital. Shortly after his divorce from Mackenzie Scott was finalized, the billionaire spent around $80 million on an incredible triplex penthouse and 2 apartments below in Manhattan's 212 Fifth Avenue, an elegant 24-story neo-Gothic skyscraper overlooking Madison Square Park that was built in 1912. It contains an amazing 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom penthouse designed by premier interior design firm Pembroke & Ives. It covers 10,000 square feet and includes 5,000 square feet of outdoor space. The triplex is finished to the greatest possible standard, with everything from cutting-edge smart home technology to ample Carrara marble and a chef's kitchen stocked with Gaggenau appliances. Moreover, the multiple rooftop terraces and garden area are quite unique, with a pool and observatory and rich greenery. Bezos followed up his large acquisition by buying an extra unit for $16 million last year. With plans to combine them into one massive combined unit, no doubt that will be the envy of New York. How about that? Now let's dive into the house of Warren Buffett. One of the world's wealthiest individuals is notorious for not being like other billionaires. It's not only that Warren Buffett has committed to give away 99% of his money to charity, or that he believes the wealthy should pay higher taxes. It's also visible in his workplace. The world's 10th wealthiest individual with a net worth of $105.2 billion continues to reside in the same property he purchased in 1958, long before he made his fortune. In fact, Buffett has resided in the same house in Omaha's central Dundee area for the past 6 decades. The inside is meticulously and lovingly designed with Oriental-style rugs, marble side tables, and vintage-style furniture. There are diverse paintings on the walls in the living areas, as well as a collection of funkily patterned sofas. A big bookcase wall with hundreds of books is featured in one of the sitting spaces. Buffett, a self-professed book enthusiast and ardent reader, says that this is one of his favorite rooms in the house. The corridor is intricately carved runner tables and display cases, as well as a wooden staircase, wooden floors, and a magnificent wall art. The kitchen is clean, tidy, and simple, but nothing out of the ordinary. "I wouldn't trade it for anything," Buffett said of his humble home, according to CNBC. Truly a humble and inspiring person. Moving forward, we have Oprah Winfrey. Oprah was invited to a party at the dreamy estate in the idyllic village of Montecito near Santa Barbara in 2001. She instantly fell in love with the tranquil 42-acre property, so much so that she used her formidable powers of persuasion to convince the owners Robert and Marlene Villos to sell it. The estate wasn't actually on the market. She wasted no time writing a check for nearly $52 million. The magnificent Promised Land mansion, now worth more than $100 million, spans 70 acres thanks to some clever purchases on neighboring estates. Oprah's 23,000 square foot estate, an outstanding neo-Georgian castle, is at its heart, and the stunning planting grounds, including rose gardens, terraces, and fountains. Apart from this, the house boasts a high-end kitchen with appliances that would please a professional chef. Not to mention the quartz countertops, there's a marble and glass shower in the master bathroom, as well as teak flooring with hydroponic heat. And, despite its simple appearance, the house is a perfect laid-back luxury. But Oprah's riches do not end here, as she also has properties in Maui, Hawaii, Orcas Island, Washington, and Telluride, Colorado. Next up, we have Elon Musk. The possibility of eccentric billionaire Elon Musk residing or purchasing property in Austin has been a source of discussion and speculation since the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX initially stated his intention to relocate to Texas in 2020. According to a Wall Street Journal report published on Wednesday, the billionaire has spent much of the past year living at a mansion on Lake Austin owned by a longtime friend. He has also been looking for a home of his own in the Austin area. Moreover, according to WSJ, the interior of the mansion spans 8,000 square feet and contains a beachfront pool, jacuzzi, a private boat slip. The Watersedge development features numerous sets of gates as well as a guardhouse. It would now most certainly sell for several times more than it initially sold for. Whether this is a secret mansion or not, this house is definitely a dream. Last but certainly not the least is Bill Gates. The Gates' estate, dubbed as Xanadu 2.0, is undoubtedly a majestic pleasure dome. The massive 66,000 square foot property is located on Lake Washington in the Seattle area. It's in the same opulent neighborhood as another uber-rich individual, Jeff Bezos. It's worth more than $130 million, according to estimates. The pair has kept the property's details hidden, but visitor stories and media reports throughout the years have given the world a taste of what it's like inside the home of one of the world's wealthiest individuals. Xanadu 2.0 is referred to as an earth-sheltered palace. It's partially buried into the hill on which it is built. The house is built in such a way that it's both cost-effective and environmentally beneficial. Furthermore, the Gates estate has a total of 24 bathrooms, 10 full baths and 14 half baths. His wife Melinda and their children Jennifer Catherine Gates, Rory John Gates, and Phoebe Adele Gates live in the house, which has 7 bedrooms. 7 bedrooms and 24 bathrooms? You heard that right. Lastly, the Xanadu 2.0 reception hall is 23,000 square feet in size and can accommodate up to 200 people for a cocktail party and roughly 150 guests for a dinner party. Perfect for business and personal events, right? Well, there you have it. The incredible homes of the richest billionaires in the world. Which among the list is your favorite and why? Share your thoughts by writing them in the comments section below. That is all for today's video. I sincerely hope that you enjoyed our small discussion. Do not forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to the Luxe Luxury channel to show some support. Please also hit the notification bell to be updated for more of our luxurious videos. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.